Designing kids' wear involves a creative and detailed process to ensure that the final products are comfortable, functional, and appealing to both children and their parents. Here's a general outline of the fashion design process for kids' wear. Research and inspiration. Study current fashion trends and children's preferences. Gather inspiration from various sources like magazines, social media, children's books, nature, art, and cultural influences. Concept development. Brainstorm and develop a unique concept or theme for your kids' wear collection. Create mood boards, sketches, and notes that capture the essence of your concept. Target audience and age group. Identify the specific age group and target audience for your collection, for example, infants, toddlers, young children, tweens. Consider their needs, interests, and comfort levels when designing. Sketching and designing. Start sketching preliminary designs for different pieces in your collection, considering silhouettes, colors, prints, and details. Experiment with various design elements to match your concept. Fabric selection. Choose fabrics that are appropriate for children's wear, taking into account comfort, durability, and safety. Consider factors like breathability, softness, stretch, and ease of care. Pattern making. Create patterns based on your sketches, ensuring proper fit and functionality for kids' movements and growth. Develop patterns for each garment size within your chosen age range. Sample creation. Create samples of your designs using the selected fabrics and patterns. Test the samples on children to ensure they fit well and are comfortable. Prototyping and fitting. Refine your samples based on feedback from fittings and testing. Make necessary adjustments to patterns and designs for optimal fit and comfort. Garment production. Once the prototypes are finalized, begin the production process. Work with manufacturers or production partners to bring your designs to life. Quality control. Implement rigorous quality control processes to ensure that each garment meets your standards for craftsmanship and safety. Branding and labeling. Add branding elements such as labels, tags, and packaging that reflect the identity of your kids' wear collection. Presentation and marketing. Create promotional materials, such as lookbooks, photo shoots, and marketing campaigns, to showcase your collection. Develop an online presence through a website, social media, and other digital platforms. Distribution and sales. Determine your sales channels, whether through your own website, retail partners, or other avenues. Plan the logistics for distribution and shipping. Feedback and adaptation. Collect feedback from customers, parents, and children who wear your designs. Use this feedback to make improvements and adjustments to future collections. Continued creativity. Keep evolving your design process, staying updated with trends, technology, and children's preferences. Remember that designing kids' wear requires special attention to safety, comfort, and functionality. Parents' concerns about materials, fastenings, and ease of use are particularly important in this market. Tailoring your design process to meet these requirements will help ensure the success of your kids' wear collection.